In this video, I'll show you step by step how to promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook using a method that takes 5 minutes a day and works even if you are complete beginner. You will see the exact type of post I use, the Fiverr services that convert the best, and how you can do this without getting flagged or banned. Most people are doing it completely wrong, posting spam and getting banned. I'll show you the smart way, the one that actually gets clicks and commissions. So if you can copy and paste, you can do this, and let me show you how. I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I'm making over $30,000 per month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms. In this video, guys, I'll show you how you can promote your Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook using free traffic. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions. This method that I will share with you is gonna help you to make your first commissions as a beginner completely for free using free traffic. Okay, anyway, let's get started. As you can see, just in the last month I made $25,975. This is my commissions. This is my affiliate account dashboard, as you can see over here, and this commission was already paid. I already received this payment in my PayPal account. This is my invoice, and as you can see, this is the payment and it's paid over here, as you can see. Okay, so the commissions that you will make this month, it's gonna be paid in the next month, in the first days of the next month. This is how this business works, and I will explain more later. So if you want to start promoting your affiliate links on Facebook, step number one, you need to create an affiliate account like this one. So you need to join Fiverr affiliate program. So step number one, go to Google and search for Fiverr, search for this website. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. So it's for free. Once you finish, you just need to use your email address to sign up. Once you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and just scroll down. Keep scrolling down, go over here to company and click over here on affiliate like this. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will start promoting as a Fiverr affiliate marketer. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. They are really paying a good commission. Some commissions, guys, it's up to 70%. So do you know any, if you know any affiliate marketing businesses that are paying up to 70%, please leave it in the comments. You can see that's really a good commission. The best part with this affiliate marketing business is that they keep paying you 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if a person buy service from your affiliate link, you will earn a good commission for his first order. If this person will keep buying more services, you will keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction this person will make on Fiverr, which makes this business a profitable affiliate marketing business. So we will get back to this later. You guys can check this website. Like I said, you need to create your affiliate account. You just need to go back to over here to this page and click here on join now. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you need to do is you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. If you have a seller, Fiverr seller account, you can choose this option. If you have a company, you can choose this one. And do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a website or a blog, you can say yes and put your affiliate link, your blog website link or your website link. Okay, so I don't have a website, I will choose no. Please submit your social media. You can put here, for example, your Facebook profile link, Instagram profile link, TikTok link, Pinterest link, and so on. Okay, and here on country, you need to choose your country. So you guys can start this business from anywhere. You can start this business from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and so on. Just search for your country from here, and that's it. Choose your language from here. And if you have a Telegram account, you can put your account here. If you don't have, just click on next, and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. You should see your commissions, your clicks, your CTR, people who use their affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, people who use their affiliate link to buy services from you. Okay, so it's clear. What you need to do next is you need to choose good services that people will be interested to buy from you on Facebook. So what we will do next, we will go to Facebook. Okay, go and open your Facebook account. So you guys have a Facebook account. Everyone has a Facebook account. Open your account like this. Click on the search for Shopify. Okay, and search for Shopify on groups. Go to groups. Okay, over here to groups, then search for Shopify. Okay, you will find a lot of Facebook groups over here that you guys can join. Okay, so you will use those groups to promote your Fiverr affiliate links to people who will be interested to buy those services from you. So once you search for Shopify, you will find a lot of groups. So for example, let's choose the first group over here, Shopify dropshipping. Click on the group that you want to use. You can see this group has over 100k members, which is really good. I will scroll down, and here you will find a lot of people searching for Shopify expert. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, here you go. Do you see this? A lot of people here. You will find a lot of people posting in those groups. They are searching for they are searching for Shopify expert. I need Shopify and dropshipping expert. If I scroll more, I can find more. If anyone needs Shopify, let me see. Here is another person. Just today, they just posted this post today. I need a Shopify expert. Send me a request directly. Okay, I'm a Shopify dropshipping business expert. I can help you. This one is promoting his service also. Hello, I need a private agent for dropshipping and so on. I need Shopify expert. So you have the idea. So here you will find people searching for Shopify expert. So for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you will go back to Fiverr, to your homepage, to this Fiverr homepage, search for Shopify developer. Okay, search for Shopify developer. Scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always choose a good seller. Okay, so you will find here a lot of sellers who provide this service. So for you, what you need to do is you need to choose good seller. How we can choose good seller? Make sure the seller is level 2 seller or top rated seller or pro sellers. Those the sellers that I'm choosing always to promote my Fiverr affiliate services. Okay, so for example, let me show you over here like this one. I will provide Shopify developer, Shopify coding. This one is a good one. This one is pro seller, guys. Okay, like this one. So I will click on this one. I will click on his service like this. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link. Copy the profile link of this seller and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, click over here on your dashboard. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links. Okay, you will be directly in this page over here. Click on dip link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook groups. Okay, and by the way, guys, if you are looking for and if you want to learn how I make over $30,000 per month with affiliate marketing using 100% free traffic, I have put together a complete step-by-step course showing you exactly how I do it with no paid ads, no fancy tools, and no niche skills required. You will learn how to use Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram to earn real commissions with the Amazon and Fiverr affiliate program. And you will get direct support from me and my team to guide you every step of the way. And if you are ready to start, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. I will put my email in my description and I will get back to you and send you all the details. Okay, so like I said, guys, what we need to do is we need to promote this Fiverr affiliate link on Facebook groups. And by the way, guys, if you just started this business and you have new account, you can see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. Why? Because for me, I do have an affiliate marketing and old Fiverr affiliate marketing account. Okay, because I have been doing this business for over 5 years. It's almost 6 years now. That's why I still have this option for you. You should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan, and this one, Fiverr Marketplace new plan. It's almost the same. Okay, and you will earn a good commission if you are using those two new plans. Okay, so it's almost the same. what you need to do next, we need to promote, like I said, this affiliate link on Facebook groups. So we will go to Facebook and go back to this group, okay? And what you will do, you will write a post here. Click over here to create a post. And to create a good post, we will use ChatGPT. Go and open ChatGPT account and ask him create a Facebook post, okay, that I can use to promote Shopify developer service as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, okay, like this. And here you go, you see this, launching your own online store sounds exciting until you hit wall with design setup or coding issue. And here you go, ChatGPT will create an amazing we create a good and an engaging post that you guys can use, okay? You just need to copy this. Let me show you. So copy this post, this description, like this. Go back to Facebook and put this description here, okay? Here you go, see this? So here you need to put your affiliate link. I will delete this. And what I will do next, I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account, this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. I will copy my affiliate link from here. This affiliate link will be, it's too much long, so I will go to Google and I will search for this website. So this website, guys, makes long links short links, okay? Click on shorten and here you go, copy, go to Facebook, and I will paste my link here, and here you go, okay? And here you go, your post is ready. You need also a picture, okay? So you will go back to this seller profile page, this one, click on this picture here, this one, double click and click on save image. Save this picture to your laptop, go back to Facebook and click on photo and open, and here you go. So this will be your picture, this will be your post, and this will be your affiliate link, okay? What you will do next, you just need to click on post, okay? And that's exactly how we can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook. I shared with you guys which service you should start promoting, people who are interested to buy those services from you, where you can find those people. So you can see the proof. I shared with you that people already searching for Shopify expert. So all you need to do is you need to, like, it's connecting buyers with sellers and you will earn commission. That's how we can make your first commissions as a Fiverr affiliate marketer. You can make it from Facebook groups. I have been doing this business for over 5 years, and when I started, I made a lot of commissions from those Facebook groups, okay? You can also, if you don't want to post those posts here on Facebook, so for me, I do use also, guys, another method, which is, so for example, like this person, I need Shopify and dropshipping expert. I will click on his name and I will click on message and I will send a message directly to this person with my explaining with use ChatGPT to create a good message that will convince those people to buy those services from you, okay? And you have a lot of Facebook. Look how many Facebook groups you have. Shopify expert, here is another group. I want to design a Shopify store. What product should I list in my store, okay? If I scroll down, you will find people here searching for I need Shopify expert. You see, I'm in need of Shopify expert. I need Shopify expert for my store. So what? So you will go and start. It's up to you, okay? It's your problem. If you can't make commissions using this method, it's your problem, because you need to learn the marketing skills. You need to know how to convince people to buy services from you. It's not just sending direct message, it's about communication. So if you don't have the skill of marketing, you can go to YouTube, search for videos how to sell, and learn more about marketing, how to convince, how to talk with customers. So this will help you to make your first commissions. Okay, it's simple, but it's not easy, but it's simple. It's the smart way to make your commissions fast. Okay, this is the smart way. And you have a lot of Facebook groups, like I said. Okay, you don't have just Shopify, you have YouTube groups, you have a lot. I'm gonna share more in the next videos. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to take this business seriously, like I said, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any question, leave it in the comments and see you in my next videos.